The next generation of leaders for an awakening world are rising. We come from every corner of this planet. We are every color. We speak every language, and we are filled with dreams. On the International Day of Peace, we let our voices ripple out with our hopes, dreams, and prayers for what this world can become. And we share this message with you.
Throughout history, humanity has caused immense harm to our world. Wars, conflicts, destruction have left deep scars on our planet and our hearts. But amidst all these ruins, there's always a chance to rebuild and heal. As Ukrainian poet Lina Kosenko said, and the horror is not that something will change, the horror is that everything can remain the same. Peace begins with us, in our daily actions. By fostering understanding and respect, we can create a ripple effect that transcends borders. Small acts of kindness and the courage to stand for what's right are the building blocks for a more peaceful world.
Con una sonrisa, which means peace begins with a smile. As you may have noticed, I speak Spanish, and I also speak Russian. Мир начинается с улыбки. I think that peace can be attained by learning and accepting other cultures. Many conflicts are caused by misunderstanding and because of rejections of alternative beliefs.
Think of yourself as a peace leader. Think about all the changes and impact you can bring to your community. You have the power to bring peace wherever you go. From hatred to harmony, from despairing to caring, your positive impact can change countless lives. Think of yourself as a peace leader. You have the valuable opportunity to inspire many others around you. Being from Hong Kong, I cannot emphasize the importance of peace enough. Our greatest strength is peace, because it not only gives us all unity, but more importantly, a sense of humanity.
Imagine peace as a bridge between unity and prosperity. Bridges rely on a foundation of pillars that help keep it supported. One of these pillars is safety, which all people should always feel no matter the community that they are in. Another pillar is understanding. This pillar is very important because we should always try to understand each other and feel empathy for whatever situation that we are in. The final pillar is education. Education is utterly important for peace to be built. It allows us to empathize and sympathize with those in different situations and those who need help.
Voices, one shared song, in unity, where we belong. No walls, no fear, no divide. In peace, we stand side by side.
Sime Amy Samuel Seifuno. I am from St. Regis Secondary School, and I am from Ethiopia. To get through difficult times, we need to have hope, as Desmond Tutu said. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. But to be able to achieve what we hope for, we need to have peace. There are wars taking place all around the world at this time. Families are being split apart as a result of these. Civilians are dying and people are losing hope daily. In order to bring hope back, we must come together and make peace with one another. Rather than using violence to solve disagreements, we unite for peace.